So, Power of Self is turning 1 year today. What I'm feeling, emotions, just gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. So contented. If you're asking me about the numbers or I hit this, that, no, but I'm so grateful for the small community that has joined me, growing up with me. It makes me feel so contented and anything. What matters to me, what made me so contented or so emotional is that first thing, my family members, my siblings, my sister in law, my parents in their late stage, understanding that health is important. And, initially, without me saying anything, with my actions, they are trying to implement into their life. They're trying to say that no, career and everything is important, but health is also way more important, like really important. You need to be strong, you need to be independent as in part of your health. And doing things makes me so happy because, I mean, how else I can give to my family or I can contribute my family, then my friends, relatives, cousins, everybody is like, whenever I walk out, they're like, hey, your video, this video, it has changed my life. It has changed the perspective of how I think about the mindset. Oh, mind is there, right? We never knew something existed like your mind is important, mind is everything. And certain stories, like, it made them feel motivated to go to the gym, to start reading a book or any sort of habit. Slowly, if I have been able to create that impact. School going kids are saying that, hey, Ita, we told about this video to our teacher how to apply the steps in your life and everything. My friends, my college friends who have seen me at my worst, not taking care of the health or just completely out of routine, everything, now saying that, hey, Sana, if you can do this, we are sure we can do this. And I'm so proud of the version you have become. You're doing all this. It's so unbelievable. I cannot imagine this version of you. All these things means a lot to me because I just started this journey just to share regarding health, mind, and the things that I've learned over the past 4 years. But trust me, more than anything, this 1 year, the identity shift that I've been able to create around the people who loves me, the people around me, and everything is so immense that myself, I can say that okay, I'm a person who take care of health. I'm a person who take care of my mind, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and all. Makes me so contented, so happy, and yeah. And also, initially, the nutrition certification that I took, in my mind, I had never planned to launch a program or manage clients, nothing. I started it as a part of a personal story. I think I need to share it here because I had to see my father go through spinal tumor surgery, angioplasty, various illness, COVID time, and finally ending up in dialysis, kidney transplant, and everything. Is the moment was so hard that I took a decision. I don't care about anything else in life. I'm going to take care of my health. Being an obese kid, having a lot of physical pain and injuries it's not what I want to look up to. No, because that's how life works, right? Either you need to go through something or your loved ones had to go through something that we need to start taking care of our life. For me, it was the hardest way. It was so disappointing, so hurting that I thought I want to learn about nutrition. Also, in that phase when, when I was going with my father to various departments and hospitals, I hear that one side, this food is good, the other side, that food is bad, this is good, that is bad. So I was so confused that I want to learn about it deep so that I can help my loved ones. I can actually implement it into myself. That's how I got certified. But on the way, people wanted structured guidance from me, the close people or the strangers who meet me, who saw my videos and everything. They wanted a structured guidance. They wanted something to change their lives. That's how last November I had to launch Power of Self Nutrition Lifestyle Reset program. And Alhamdulillah, it's doing well and it's one of the main sources of income for me that this channel, this Power of Self has built onto me. And I'm so happy. I mean, how else you can be happy? You're able to change people's lives, making them achieve their goals, be it weight loss, weight gain, or removing their lifestyle, reversing their lifestyle diseases, PCOD, which they thought they could never do it. It's all, the limiting beliefs I was able to break and change their lives. And when I look up to now this nutrition program, the team we have built into a very strong professional team now, which makes me so happy and grateful. Yes, I have not talked much about the program into the videos or anything. I'll be doing it on the way. So yeah, and also I had a major shift. We moved from Kochi to Dubai. That was also settling into this place was a quiet, of course, the settling place every one of you know. So we all had that priority list, right? Top, mid, and the least priority. So YouTube posting and all went on to a post. But the family who was there in the beginning is still the same with me. And I'm so happy for that, they're understanding me, my situations and everything. And I'm so grateful for that. I know I need to put in more effort efforts in terms of videos or anything, I'll be continuing doing that. And one thing I can say, nobody watching my video, content, stories are going to actually be wrong or be in any other way. It's only going to help you to become the best version of yourself without you even knowing it. So that's a guarantee I can give, because I myself has transformed mentally, physically, emotionally, and everything. And yes, as I told, I'm so grateful that people, at least few people who's changing just because they're watching the contents here, watching what I'm posting and trying to implement in their life, means a lot to me at this moment. And for anything, I'm so grateful. So grateful. And I'm grateful for a lot more people also. And my husband who is behind this. Yes, I'm only coming here right in front, but there's a person behind this from day one. Really grateful for him. My parents, my family, friends, strangers, criticizers, haters, people who just watch and go. And to everybody of you, thank you, because this is what challenges me to keep growing, keep showing up daily, no matter what. Whoever tried to pull you down, mock you, or to say anything or anything in life, just show up. That's the only answer you can give to anybody who loves you, who hates you, anything. Keep showing up. To all of you, I'm saying, you, if you have any passion, if you want to do something, just show up. No matter what you do, everybody, people is going to judge you. So why spending your life thinking about what people is going to think, and just to stop doing, following your passion. Just show up for yourself, show up for what you love, and love the life beautifully, because that's life. So once again, thank you so much for all the people in my life, for everything. And this moment I have just casually created. I don't know what I'm speaking. Just a video that I've shot. So after few years, I can come revisit the video and I can see this version of myself here and be thankful, right? That's how life works. And one more thing, let me tell about the Powers of Nutrition Lifestyle Reset program. If anybody of you is stuck there thinking that it's too late, I cannot change my life, I'm obese, or I'm having these issues, my cholesterol is too high, my sugar and everything, please don't think like that. Anything is reversible, and I'm here to guide you, to help you achieve your goals, to transform your life into better lives and everything. You just have to contact me and I will guide you with all the necessity things. And that's what Powers of Nutrition Lifestyle program is all about. So thank you. Keep supporting, keep watching, keep sharing, or nothing else. Just implement things into your life and start changing your life, because that means a lot to me. So it's all about Power of Self. So it's all about Power of Self with Dr. Sana Sinaji.